What is going on, Sequence fam? So it's another day, new day. Headed to my boy Stitch's house because he does the Starlight headliner jobs, and well, my cousin got the pack of 830. So it's the Starlight headliner that goes up here, and he's got an 830 count with Twinkle and Shooting Stars. So I'm about to head to Stitch's house because as we speak right now, he's poking the holes in the headliner to get the kit ready to be installed. Normally he takes about a weekend to do it, being that he works a 9 to 5 Monday through Friday, etc., etc. So I know, you know, a lot of times if you got another job, it takes up a lot of space, but eventually this is going to be his job, you know, because we're going to have a few jobs coming in. My girl's car has a job coming up for hers also, so she's going to get it in her Challenger, supposedly, depending on if she gets another car or not. We don't know yet. So my Challenger's going to get another 550 Twinkle and Shooting Star kit. So, but yeah, we're headed to that side of Houston right now. It's about a 30-minute drive, so I'll pick up the camera once we get to the homie's crib and get started on the Starlight headliner. So we just pull up to the homie's crib. About to knock on the door. You better open the door. Better open the goddamn. I got a package for you, sir.
Leave it under the floor mat.
The floor mat. Okay. Well, here's what we're gonna do. Leave it under the floor mat, and I'm gonna. Everybody, this is Broly. You probably see them once, maybe twice on the YouTube channel. It's my dog. You got the DJ set up for you look ugly,
You know what we do watching that DDE.
Yeah, DDE on the TV, bro. Yeah. What's up, Broly? What's up, my boy? We about to be neighbors. I miss you. What's up? But, oh, you got your paw stuck on the thing, huh? Didn't you, stupid? So this is my cousin's headliner. Fresh out the car. Look at the back. The holes are already poked for the star, but I have 550 Twinkle and Shooting Stars right now, but like I said, I'm getting another kit, but this is from my cousin. I don't care about your headliner. As a matter of fact, Broly, watch out, bro. So, the person who does the Star headliners, I'm gonna give y'all a full synopsis on him. Just a little brief. Cars he's done, stuff like that. Oh, what's up, neighbor?
What up, what up, what up?
This is Stitch B. That's the person that does all the Star headlines. He did my car. He's done the person that plays for the Cincinnati Bengals. They flew him out to Florida, etc., etc. So he's just gonna give y'all a little brief thing about the headlines he's done, how long he's done it, and his little bit of the process. And then I'll have the videos right after this little baby interview. But this is the man that does it. Introduce yourself.
What's up? Everyone calls me Stitch. Legal name is Bryant. Been doing stars for about a year now. Started off on my personal car on the G35. And from there, it escalated word by mouth. Done Darius, done Sylvester, done a Bengals player, done about a total about maybe 10 to 12 cars. And patience is a key on doing stars. Typically, I just take the headliner, get the kit, people keep their cars, and I go by marking them dot by dot by dot. It's like a 3, 4, 5 step process of repeating everything over and over and over again. I don't know what you guys say.
And he does it in his living room. So he doesn't have a shop, doesn't have anything like that. So he does it in his living room. It takes about 2 days. About
2 days.
About a 2-day process. Literally does everything from scratch. All you really do is buy the kit. He doesn't offer the kit yet. But I hate when this thing does that.
Want to go to sleep?
Yeah, don't go to sleep on me. So, basically, you get the kit. He has the tools and everything he needs at his house. And so, basically, yeah, get the kit, and he goes from there. So we're going to get to the parts where he actually has the kits already for you. So, but like I said, you guys have seen my headline in my car, and it came out off the chain, like really, really good. So, but yeah, the next few videos are some of the kits, the recent kits that he's done. It's not gonna be all the kits, but it's some of the recent kits that he's done. My cousin's Chrysler 300 and a friend of ours, George's Sierra. GMC Sierra.
1500 lifted.
He has a 1500 and it's lifted, and he had the 1K.
1000 with shooting stars.
He has the 1000 kit Twinkle with shooting stars. So we're going to get to that right now.
Maximum Challenge ASM stickers. That is so awesome, man. Everybody's so